back at Extreme Trailers again, but this time it's not for me, it's for my dad, and obviously his beast. Everyone was commenting saying, Joe, you're Mr. Custom, why the hell was your dad not got a custom trailer? We're going to fix that today. We've come to see Ross, Mr. Extreme himself, to get him sorted out. So let's get it in. It's rather heavy. Give it a pull, mate.
Afternoon, gentlemen. Do you want a hand?
Rostifer, cuddles.
Great to see you.
I brought the main man.
Young man, how are you?
I'm very well.
Young man, not the main
My
man.
main man. Well,
Main man, young man.
Look what we brought you.
Well, I've got to say, love the colour. Amazing. Probably not as fast as my ski though, is it?
Well, you two can fight that out. This might be a little bit faster than my two-strokes, as much as I hate to say it, but...
I bet it'll give you a run for your money.
It's on the wrong trailer at the moment though, Ross, so can you sort that out?
Yeah, I would recommend probably a custom powder-coated jet ski trailer in, say, a green furniture.
Do you happen to have one in stock? Not pre-planned at all, obviously. This is all organic.
Well, all our trailers are made to order. Your trailer, your way. But yes, we've got one ready for you, sir. Would you like to have a look at it? Oh. So, what do you reckon?
Look at that, mate.
I got the right colour, didn't I?
Looks wonderful.
Mate, that looks insane.
Yeah, really.
See what I mean by the equalisers, the winch posts?
Complements everything.
We can obviously make any part of the trailer a different colour. If you wanted, you could have the green chassis. I personally like
Stealth.
the stealth black frame, and then these other added bits just look quite cool. What we yet to do, because I wanted to run them past you first, is we've got the powder coated side steps. To fit on there, and also the spare wheel and bracket to fit. But what I wanted to, if it's okay with you, we'll get the ski on. So a service that we offer.
So you've had alloy wheels, and now I'm saying I'm wrong. It does look very, very good. I think I need to switch to alloy wheels.
We love them. We've been using them for the last
They're beautiful.
4 years now, and yeah, they're unique to us in the UK.
It's like the green though. It's like modelled on your. Let's get yours in so we can see it. It's like the green is identical. Wow, isn't it look insane, mate?
Obviously, we ensured that we had the same
Colour.
Yeah.
What would you do if I was here then?
I will have to order some more. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this will fit in the recycling bin. So the axle's further forward than most of our range, because obviously the engine is further forward in the hull. Now what we're doing is making sure that the ski is sensible on the trailer, and then we're just going to adjust the winch post. We may need to adjust the side rollers, but we obviously want to get as low as possible and give it as much support as possible. Obviously all of the 16 non-marking wobble rollers that we make ourselves on the hull, and then we'll adjust everything to suit. Then we'll bolt on the spare wheel and bracket on the side steps, strap you down, and off you go.
Nice.
Jet ski hulls are all slightly different because the U-bolt construction, it's just all fully adjustable. But not only can you adjust the rollers in and out, you can also adjust this cross member front and back.
Just basically get it exactly where you want it.
Yeah, some other makes don't offer that, so it just gives you a bit more adjustability. The great thing is with this powder coating, obviously it looks amazing, but what we do to prevent any damage and reduce any cracking, we've designed these little U-bolt protectors. I probably mentioned that to you before.
what do you think then, mate?
I think it's cracking. The colours complement it so well, don't they?
It's the equalisers though, isn't it?
Yeah, the drawers,
Like that.
the
I
colour.
don't think the green could match any better.
I think even the winch post as well in green.
2 side steps.
Yeah, I just think it's so great when you can just stand on it when the car, you know, it's on the car just to get up over the top.
It's the fact that you've got like green.
Yeah, not too much green, but just enough to.
Oh, it still looks
complement
mega
it.
classy,
Yeah,
mate. Mega
just
classy.
to complement it. Really, really good.
What do you think, guys? Put in the comments. I'm a little bit jealous, mate, to be honest.
It was yours.
He's trying to show me up, everyone. I'm really happy
What
for
do you
you,
think
mate.
about the upgrade to the alley wheels?
Looks epic, mate. Looks really good.
Yeah.
I think for this size style ski,
It works.
you need this big trailer.
Yeah.
But you can see my reservation. If you're dealing with like a 2-stroke and it's a small little ski, if you have big wheels,
Yeah.
it almost dwarfs the ski. But for
Yeah.
yours,
I think
it's a given, mate.
yeah.
Absolute given.
Yeah. Really, really pleased. Colours.
I think they've done an
everything,
incredible
just
job.
complement.
Just need to get out on it now, mate.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's the other thing, though, as well. For that size ski, you want it for like launching and recovering it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really, really happy. Right, let's get Ross out, get his final sign off, and then we can get going.
Yeah.
You did very well again, Ross. Very, very well.
Yeah, the matching green is pretty much bang on, isn't it?
Is that an accident that your Pantone's close, or is that just the...
So no, so obviously we've had the choice of a different roller colour for a while now, but yeah, we obviously investigated what was going to be mainstream.
It's very close, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it's no, I'm really pleased how we got out. Obviously we wanted it set up properly, so we adjusted it. As you can see, it's nice and low on there. You got the winch strap, which is horizontal with the D-ring here, which is what you want. The support of the keel roller at the front.
And we were just discussing before you came out that we've had this running debate about alloys, and I'm truly now convinced that, you know, you'd had it right all along. So I'll hold my hands up, I'm wrong on that. I mean, for this size ski, there's nothing else really that you wouldn't want to put it on, is there?
No, well, obviously with the wide tyre on there, you know, it's just ideal for, you know, rough terrain. If you've got to launch off a beach, you know, you've got gravel at the slipway, you know, those fat boy tyres really do make a difference.
But proportionally, it just looks in line with the size of craft.
Yeah.
So I
Right.
think you've done a very good job.
Your trailer, your waster. Yeah. But no, all we need now is a slipway. We've got the sunshine.
Well, you do have a slipway, but we've not brought a wetsuit, unfortunately.
Oh, no.
So.
See?
But no, honestly, thank you, Ross.
No problem.
Be a little
Pleasure.
while before there'll be another trailer, don't worry. Give you a break.
Pleasure. No, it's great. It looks absolutely cracking. I'm really, really pleased.
Cool.